All right. So now we're talking about different endings that we're coming up with for Stormy Monday. And Ellie came up with this one. She's doing like a little triplet thing. So let me translate this for us. I think the way Ellie was doing it, she's playing two notes, and I'm going into my finger picking position, which is the thumb resting on the G string, and my other three fingers, baby finger doesn't work, are tucked under their respective strings. So that means that any note I play on, say, the A string, I'm going to use my ring finger. Any note that I play on the C string, let me move in a little closer so you can see. Any note I play on the C string, I'm going to use my index finger, like so. And now this is my guitar way of doing things. I'm sure there are other ways of doing it too, and so maybe you'll find a better way that works for you. So what we're doing is we're playing like a D7 form on the 5th fret, on the 7th fret, over the C string and the A string. So you see, I kind of think in terms of forms. Those of you who think in terms of numbers, I'm trying to do this is new for me. It would be 0, 7, 0, 7. If that helps you visualize what's going on. I just think of it as, oh, I'm making a D7 here, except it's on the bottom strings and it's in the 7th fret. And there are various ways of doing it. You can pluck these two notes at the same time, the C string and the A string at the same time, just like that. And then you slide one fret towards the headstock. So that would be the 6th fret to the 5th fret. And then Ellie was just playing a C chord. This is an ending, you guys, that you can use with other songs when you're in the key of C. It's very portable. So let me show you again. Or C here. Now, Ellie, I think, was arpeggiating it, so she wasn't playing them at the same time. She was plucking the C string and then the A string, like that. Let's try that. Then slip down to the 6th fret, 5th fret, C. Let's try that. 2, 3, 4. And I added just a little twist at the end that goes like this. So what happened was when I finally get down to the C chord, I'm doing that movable form of C. I think it's called C in first position. I get those positions mixed up, so correct me if I'm wrong. It looks like a B flat. So it looks like this. And then I'm sliding that to the 2nd fret. The chord is, ask yourself, what's the chord? The chord is a B, and then back up to the C. Ba 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 ba. Add a little bit of syncopation there. Let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's put it into the bigger picture. We're just going to start. Wednesday is worse, Thursday is oh so sad. So we're not doing the whole stanza, we're just doing the 3rd line in the stanza. And we're starting with our G7, 1 measure, 12-bar blues, F, 1 measure, and then C. All right, let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wednesday's worse. Thursday's oh so sad. Let's do it one more time. I'm going to do it with a drum. I'm going to slow her down a little bit. Here we go. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Wednesday's worse. Thursday's oh so sad. Wednesday's worse. Thursday's oh so sad. There you guys go. Great idea.